Dear students, welcome to class 11th A Commerce. Today we will begin with statistics lesson number 4, tabulation, in which information will be given to you in the form of text. You have to convert it in the form of the table. Let us begin. Suppose this is the information given to you about the two towns where males and females are given and their drinking habits of coffee drinking habits are also given. Some are coffee drinkers and some are not drinking any coffee. So let us see. Town A, they have given females were 40%. Percentage, it means total of the town will be, total population of the town will be 100%. So if females are 40, so how many will be males? Yes, 60%. Now total coffee drinkers they have given 45%. So how many people will be there who are not drinking coffee at all? 55 will be non-coffee drinkers and male non-coffee drinkers are 20%. Let us find out and how can we solve it. What they have given? Females were 40%. So males will be 60%. Total population of the town will be 100%. Now what they have given? Total coffee drinkers 45%. It means non-coffee drinkers will be 55%, isn't it? Male non-coffee drinkers are 20%. This number will give us everything now. Non-coffee drinkers are 20%. So how many males are drinking coffee then? It is 40% because total males are 60. So coffee drinkers will be, out of them will be 40%. Now how will we find out about females? We do not know how many females are drinking coffee and how many females are not drinking coffee. Total coffee drinkers and non-coffee drinkers will help us in this number. See, what is total coffee drinkers of this town A? 45%. Out of which 40 are males. So how many females are drinking coffee? Only 5%. And non-coffee drinkers are 55%, out of which 20 are non-coffee drinkers among males. So how many females are not drinking coffee? 35%. Let us tabulate this whole information of town A in the form of a table. Females are 40%. Total females are 40%. So total, in captions I have mentioned town A, male, female and total. In stubs I have mentioned coffee drinkers and non-coffee drinkers and total. This is called stub. These headings are called stub and these headings are called captions. Okay, let's not go in much detail. Just see what headings I have given. Now, how many females are there total? 40. And how many males are there total? 60. So I have first of all written these two. Total is 100. Now coffee drinkers male. Coffee drinkers male 40. Non-coffee drinkers male 20. Coffee drinkers female 5. Non-coffee drinkers female 35. I have put percentages here so that need not put percentages every time. See, here also total, here also total and this total, all these total will come out to be 100. Let us go for town B now. In town B, males are 55%. So total percentage definitely will be 100. So how many females will be there now? It will be 45%. Male non-coffee drinkers. They have told male non-coffee drinkers as 30%. Where should I put? See, N coffee drinkers. This is non-coffee drinkers. How many male are non-coffee drinkers? 30%. So how many males are drinking coffee then? It will be 55 minus 30, 25%. Means 25% males are not drinking, are drinking coffee. Now they have given female coffee drinkers are 15%. female coffee drinkers are 15%. What is the total of female? 45. Out of them, 15 are drinking coffee. So how many are not drinking coffee? 30% are not drinking coffee. Let us see how many total coffee drinkers are. Total coffee drinkers among males and females are 40%. And non-coffee drinkers are 60%. Now let us tabulate this information. Total females are 45, total males are 55. Now among male coffee drinkers 25. Again male non-coffee drinkers kitna? 30%. I am placing percentages here so that I need not put percentages all the time. Now among female, just see what is written. Coffee drinkers, female coffee drinkers, how much? 15%. And non-coffee drinkers, female non-coffee drinkers 30%. Total comes out to be 60 and 40. Are we getting total 100? Yes. Are we getting total 100 here also? Yes. In this way you have to solve the sum which will be given to you a bit later. Within 5 minutes I'll be sending you a sum to solve. Let's see who solves it first of all.